Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to apply work on Upwork as a new user. First, you need to log in and have an account. Next, after completing your profile with personal details, select any job offer that matches with your interest and skills. Click a job that interests you and submit a tailored proposal highlighting your experiences and what you are the best fit for the job. Once you click on apply, you need to submit a proposal. You need to write a cover letter and hit that submit button. That's it. Like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.